Students, welcome back to this session. Yesterday we have started Geography Chapter 2 Resources. I told you about different resources. Then we were discussing the types of resources. First that we started was the natural resources. Natural resources are like air we breathe, the water we get from rivers and lakes, the soil, the minerals that we are getting naturally are all natural resources. Natural resources further can be classified into depending upon their distributions or depending upon their developments in the ground, right? Like they will be classified into different groups, like first is level of development and its use, second origin, third stock, fourth distribution, right? Now if I say about development means in what quantity it is getting developed over there, how much people are using it, what is the amount of usage of it. Distribution means how it has been distributed in the physical divisions or how it has been distributed among the societies. On the basis of their development and use, resources can be classified into two groups, right? Now the resources that are being developed, what happens is they are again further classified into two groups. First is actual resource and second is potential resource. What is an actual resource? Actual resource are those resources whose quantity is known. These resources are being used in the present. The rich deposit of coal in Ruhr region of Germany and petroleum in West Asia, dark soil in the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra are all actual resources. Actual resources basically is the quantity of any resource which is known to us, that is how much we are able to use it or we will be getting in future or not, right? So we are known by its development. Second is potential resource. The potential resource are those resources which entire quantity may not be known to us. These are not being used at the present day. These resources could be used in future. The level of technology we have at present day may not be advanced enough to see or easily utilize these resources. The uranium found in Ladakh is an example of potential resource that could be used only in future. High-speed winds were a potential resource 200 years ago. Where a potential resource was being there for 200 years ago, today they are actual resources. The wind farms generate energy winds using windmills in Netherlands. You will also see some net coils in Tamil Nadu and on the coast of Gujarat. Now these were according to the development. हमने natural resource को divide किया था two parts में, that was actual resource and potential resource. Second आपका जो classification है natural resources का, that is origin. Based on origin, natural resources are again further divided into two types, that is abiotic and biotic. Abiotic resources are non-living while biotic resources are living. Soil, rocks and minerals are abiotic, but plants and animals are biotic resources. Natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources, right? The renewable resources, that means which can be renewed easily or it can be replenished. Replenishment, we can get it back very quickly. Renewable resources are those which get renewal or replenished equally. Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities, such as solar and wind energy. Yet, careless use of certain renewable resources like water, soil and forest can affect their stock. Water seems to be unlimited renewable resource, but shortage and drying up of natural water sources is a major problem in many parts of the world today. Yes, it is a natural resource. Water, winds, all are natural resources. They are in unlimited amount. But nowadays, as people are using it ravishly, they are not taking care of it because of the pollution. Air is getting polluted, we are not getting fresh air to breathe, right? Same the water has been contaminated means so many impurities has been mixed in water because of the garbage, because of the drainage systems. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. Once the stock are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to renewed or replenished. Since this period is much more than human lifespan, such resources are considered non-renewable. Coal, petroleum and natural resources are some examples. On the basis of the distribution, till now we did about the development and origin. Now we are coming about the distribution. On the basis of the distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. That means resources that are found everywhere, like the air we breathe, are ubiquitous. But those who are found only in certain places are localized, like copper and iron ore. Yes, there are many things which are not available at every places, right? So these things we are calling as localized. The distribution of natural resources depend upon the number of physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Yes, it is the distribution of natural resources. It depends upon the physical factors. Yes, how? Like some places are hilly areas, some are plateaus, right? There may be desert. So there are different type of minerals or different type of natural resources must be grown over there or must be found over there. So because of this, the distribution of natural resources differ, right? Now the next topic we are coming is human-made resources. Till now we were doing natural resources. Now we will study human-made resources. What is human-made resources? Human-made resources are the resources which are being made by us, which are being made by the humans for the help of the people. Sometimes natural substances become resources only when their original form has been changed. Iron ore was not a source until people learned to extract iron from it. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machineries and vehicles, which are known as human-made resources. Technology is also a human-made resource. So, people like us use natural resources to make human-made resources, said Mona, nodding in understanding. Yes, said Raju. Right, now human-made resources. All the natural resources, we are talking about right now about natural resources like trees and all we are getting, soil, water. Because with the combination of this, we are making some utilization things, or you can say the things which are benefited for the human beings. Those things are known as human-made resources, which has made human lifestyle very easy, right? Now the third topic that we are coming is human resource. People, before starting human resource, I will just tell a small thing about human resource, what it is. Human resource refers to the number, that is the quantity, and ability, that is the mental and physical of a people. Though there are different views regarding treatment of a human as a resource, one cannot deny the fact that it is in the skills of human that helps in transferring the physical material into a valuable resource. These are the humans which are using their minds, which are using their ideas, which are using their creativity to make something beneficial from a substance, right? Human resource. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have knowledge, skill and technology to do so. That is why human beings are special resource, right? Now why we are calling human a resource? Because he is a person who is making many things from a particular resource, right? They have, because of the ideas, because of the ability, because of the capability, they are having many creative skills by which we are using many natural resources in our daily lives in a different form. Like first, if I say technology, It is also an advanced form of the resources by the people done. People are human resources. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources are known as human resource development. Right? So today I will be ending my lecture over here. Tomorrow again I will be coming back with a new topic. Topic will be conserving resources. Thank you.